Hello, good morning. This is the question from Sequences and Series, 8th April evening shift. Take a look at the problem. If 1 by 1 power 4 plus 1 by 2 power 4, 1 plus 1 by 3 power 4 and so on infinity equal to pi power 4 by 90, gamma alpha equal to 1 by 1 power 4, 1 by 3 power 4, 1 by 5 power 4 and so on infinity, and beta is also defined in the same way. 1 by 2 power 4, 1 by 4 power 4, and 1 by 6 power 4. Then we need to identify what is the value of alpha by beta is equal to. Okay. This is very easiest question. Okay. Let me see how we can solve this. 1 by 1 power 4 plus 1 by 2 power 4 and plus 1 by 3 power 4 and so on infinity. Equal, it was given that pi power 4 by 90. Okay. First we will write how much is this part. Given that 1 by 1 power 4 plus 1 by 2 power 4 plus 1 by 3 power 4 and so on infinity equal to pi power 4 by 90. Remember this one as equation 1. Let us figure it out. Alpha value is how much? What is alpha is saying? Okay, let's try first beta and then we will go with alpha. Beta equal to what they said? 1 by 2 power 4 plus 1 by 4 power 4 plus 1 by 6 power 4 and so on infinity. So think about, is there anything you can take common? Okay, 1 by 2 power 4 you can take as a common factor. Then you can write 1 by 1 power 4 plus 1 by 2 power 4 and 1 by 3 power 4 and so on infinity. So that means beta is equal to 1 by 2 power 4 is 16. And we know this value, pi power 4 by 90. Okay. And next we will consider alpha value. So alpha equal to what they said? 1 by 1 power 4 plus 1 by 3 power 4 plus 1 by 5 power 4 and so on infinity. We will add and subtract. Okay. We will add some terms and we will subtract some terms. So I am adding 1 by 2 power 4 here. Okay. And also subtracted later 1 by 3 power 4, the previous sequence. And again, I'm adding 1 by 4 power 4 and remaining the previous whatever we have and so on infinity. And I'm subtracting the respective numbers like 1 by 2 power 4, 1 by 4 power 4 and so on. Okay. And the process is up to infinite in both cases. So in this case, alpha equal to, look at this entire sequence up to infinity. It's nothing but pi power 4 by 90 minus, look at this sequence. This sequence just now we calculated this value, beta, right? Beta is same as 1 by 2 power 4, something like this. So this value is also equal to 1 by 16 times of pi power 4 by 90. Okay, therefore alpha equal to, take pi power 4 by 90 as a common factor, 1 minus 1 by 16. And you can see if you perform a simple LCM for these two numbers, then alpha is equal to pi power 4 by 90 times of 15 upon 16. Okay, now they are asking for alpha by beta. So let's calculate that, alpha by beta. So alpha value is pi power 4 by 90 into 15 upon 16 and whole divided by beta value is 1 by 16 into pi power 4 by 90. So from this part, look at this, pi power 4 by 90 got cancelled. 16 is also got cancelled. 15 will be the answer. So option D is correct answer. Okay. If you have any still doubt in this problem, you can ask me, you can use the comment section. Thank you. Bye-bye.